Hi guys, hope you're all doing really well. So, I have got birthday mail. My birthday was back in February. Let's take these necklaces out. Oh, look at that. My birthday was back in February, but with one thing and another, me and my friend have not been able to meet up. So she gave it me when she came to visit me in the city where I live. And we went out for dinner. You know, it was really nice. And it's all in here. So let's see what she got me. Right, I'm just going to pull them out. I'm just going to reach into the bag and pull them out. Okay, so we've got this Revolution Pet Shop. Looks like that on the back. This looks really nice. I will be using this very soon. Do I need to keep the packaging though? I think I'll need to. Just purely because I won't know what it's called. It's called I Heart Revolution and it's Stardust. So unless, no, I'm going to say unless I kind of cut this off and place it somewhere on here, that's not going to work. So I'm going to have to keep that bulky packaging, which I don't much care for. But this is the rabbit. Goes with my jewellery. So, I mean, that is definitely a me colour story. Yeah, we've got the, well, I was going to say we've got all the shimmer greens here, but no, that's not a shimmer. That's a matte. Then we've got another shimmer over here and 3 mattes over there. So in total, how many eyeshadows? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eyeshadows. This reminds me, for all you I Heart Revolution fans, you'll remember it. It reminds me of the Easter egg one that they did. And I had it and it broke on me. Well, I broke it, should I say. It fell onto the floor and broke. So definitely excited to be playing with that. I'm like, what is it? She said it's an eyeshadow palette. I didn't even look who it was by. I was that excited. I thought it was a money box. I'm like, I'm not going to be able to get much change in that. Right. Oh, she said there's something in the bag that you're going to laugh at. Anyone that knows me knows I love giraffes. You'll have to just mind this, guys. It is getting better because I'm using some Dactycoat cream on. It's like a steroid cream. I'm using some of that on it. It was very inflamed in the live yesterday. And it still looks quite bad. But it's not that bad. But anyway, this is George. I've now got 2 Georges in my collection. I got this from Blackpool Zoo. Anyone that knows me knows I love a good giraffe. I'm going to have to figure out a place to put it. I've got shelving units up there, so I might do that together in a minute once I've unbagged everything. Just where all my ColourPop eyeshadows are. So thank you for that, Louise. That did make me laugh. And then I've got a little ornament. I need to find a place to put it. Oh, it's so cute. This is a good day to have a good day. I do love Stitch, right? But it would have been cuter if it was Minnie Mouse. So, oh, it's like velour. I didn't realise that. So, it's like velour. I mean, you can get me anything Disney, and I will not turn my nose up at it because I just love Disney in general. So, the next item I pulled out is something I bought myself. And I'm doing a little haul on what I bought myself. So, I'm not showing them as of yet. Oh yeah, this. So, this Eternite Lip Sleeping Mask, I've actually got, oh, it's over here. I've got the vanilla one. And Louise said they do it in strawberry. And I'm like, oh, I'd love that. I need to keep an eye out for it. Strawberry and lemonade. We're going to try it, guys. We are going to try it. I don't keep the spatula. I think they're a waste of time. Look like that. It looks a little silicone spatula. We won't need that. And we won't need the cardboard box. Let me just wipe this off. You can still see the glitters in it, but let's see. So it's got a little cap. I didn't keep the cap on my other one. Ooh, look how nice it looks. Keep the cap on this one now. Oh, it's fallen on the floor. Shocker. I'll pick that up later. So I'm going to put that with the vanilla one on top. So I'll stack them together. I'm not actually putting them in my makeup basket, just because they take up too much room. Am I getting a strawberry and lemonade scent from it? No, not really. And does it smell like it? A faint strawberry scent. Whereas mine, that I've got, I think it smells quite strongly of vanilla. Yeah, this one smells quite strongly of vanilla. If you don't like a strong scent, like I don't always like a strong scent, and if you don't, then I'd advise the strawberry one. There's some makeup in here, we'll leave it to last. She also got me the Glowhub. This one is the Nourish and Hydrate Toner. I'm not going to use this at the moment just because I've got a toner by Freena. I stopped using it because I was getting a lot of bites with it. So as soon as I've finished that toner though, guys, I don't have another toner, I don't think. So I will go on to use this. I said, where have I heard that name before? Glowhub. And I've got a facial mist. Is it a facial mist? It's a Calm and Soothe serum mist. In fact, I could do with putting this on now. It's for like when you have breakouts, and I've got a few breakouts up here. So let's put some on. I don't like the scent of it. It smells like hemp, which it's got hemp in it. Had I known that, I wouldn't have bought it. But yeah, I mean, it's nice to try and all that. Okay, is that now makeup time? Yeah, she's got me 2 palettes, and there's another thing in there that I need to show you separately. So they're also by, well, one's by Collection, which to me it looked like it may have been Revolution, but it's not. So yeah, one's by Collection and one's by Revolution. So we'll talk about the Revolution one first. So it's the Revolution. I've not tried any of these. Soulful shadow palette, which looks like that. Looks like that. Now it's not that I'm a warm tone person, but more at the moment I'm more cool. We'll use it and see what we think of it. And then we've got this beautiful rosy pink one. Now this is more of a bit of me. So it's a Collection Parisian Pinks, and obviously you guys know I really like Paris, so that is probably why it's a bit of me. It looks really, really pretty. So I'll probably use this one over the Soulful one first. But again, I will use them both. Like I said, I do have a few things in another haul. This is more like a friendship birthday haul kind of video. And the other things is Primark. So some things from Primark, Superdrug. I think that's it. There's literally not a lot there, guys. I actually walked away from a blusher in Superdrug by MUA and it was only £4. So I could have gotten it if I wanted it. But I have too many cream blushes and it was a cream blush. So we'll talk about that in the next video. I'm going to see if I can find a place for George and I'll show you where I put it. Right, so the Giraffe's up top there. This is where I keep all my ColourPop palettes. I've had to move some ColourPop palettes from here, which is fine. And then I put Stitch there. Oh, is that Leela? I never know who's who. I'm sure that's Stitch, isn't it? Until I can find a nail to hang it up. I will find a nail for it because I don't feel confident that that's not going to fall from there. I put it in between palettes, if you can see. So I mean, I could do it in the middle. Hang on. Yeah, that looks better. I just have to realise, like, when I'm going in for one of these eyeshadow palettes, I need to take it out. I might just leave it like that then. So, like, every time I do my makeup, like, it's within reach. Like, all this, I mean, I will do a tour at some point. It's been ages since I did a tour. It's within my makeup. So we've got another Giraffe here. Sorry, it's just really, really dark. And then all my setting sprays, lipsticks back there, lipsticks. Me and my mum, when I was about, 8 or 9 there, I think. Maybe a little bit older, maybe 10. And then, like, I've got some more drawers down here. Like I said, you know, I will do a full tour of it. And this is what really gets to me sometimes because I've just got too much. I love this little Mad Hatter's Tea Party card here. My friend got it for me and it's special because she knew that I liked Alice in Wonderland. And then Lisa bought me that flamingo one. So yeah, I've got a few cards scattered around. Thank you for watching, guys. It means a lot. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.